Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the regular updates of my channel, and do not forget to like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS with ServiceNow. The most awaited version of ServiceNow has been launched today with personal developer instance, which is ServiceNow Quebec. In this video, I will be showing you top 5 applications introduced in Quebec version of ServiceNow, which will help you to manage the work in your organizations more effectively. Before I talk about first application, let me tell you that this is one of the key application introduced by ServiceNow, which is changing the whole way of designing and building portals and pages in ServiceNow. And the name of the feature and application is UI Builder. UI Builder is a web user interface builder which enables developers to build new pages or customize existing pages for Workspace and Service Portal. UI Builder provides components which you can use in these pages. This is my personal developer instance in Quebec version. UI Builder is already enabled by default when you get a new instance of Quebec version. In order to access UI Builder, just type UI BUI here, and then under Now Experience, you will find this module called as UI Builder. And if you will click on this module, you will see this new UI Builder, which is a new application and feature provided by ServiceNow. Isn't it cool? Now this will be a game changer, and kudos to ServiceNow for introducing this new feature. Now you can also access different links which you can see here, like under help section. It says like all kind of different help articles so that you can learn about building components, staying up to date, creating custom components. So how exactly you can use this UI Builder to create and develop different pages, different portal pages, different workspace pages in ServiceNow platform. The next application in Quebec version is Process Optimization. Now this application helps analysts and process owners to understand the effectiveness of their business processes by using automated business process flows. It helps to visualize the execution of processes by using historical data. It also identifies issues and show visibility around key performance indicators and resolve those issues. Now, process optimization is also integrated with other applications of platform like performance analytics and continual improvement management to discover opportunities for improving different processes. You can type process optimization. So here is the application, and we have this guided setup so that you can configure and install and implement this application in your instance. And we have this analyst workbench as well, and we have like projects. Like it is overall to manage different processes so that you can manage different processes, all the business process effectively. And I think this application is overall focused on business side so that they can manage different processes they have effectively. The next application is Workforce Optimization. It is another new application introduced in Quebec version of ServiceNow, which is used to manage and maintain the productivity of your organization's employees and teams from a single location, and that is one application, Workforce Optimization. With this application, you can manage your team's skills and schedules, work assignments, and monitor their performance effectively. So let's say if you are a manager and you want to track the performance, what kind of work your team is doing, in what time, what's their schedule, what are the different skills they have. If you want to have a holistic view and if you want to manage all these things together in just one single location, so that application is Workforce Optimization. if you want to access workforce optimization application, you just need to type here workforce, and you can see this application workforce optimization for ITSM, and it has different modules under this application. And if I click on manager workspace, it will open a new workspace, that is manager workspace, in a new tab, which shows holistic view of the performance of your team for the tasks assigned. Like you can see open P1 incidents, incident SLA breached, what kind of performance you're getting from your team, unassigned incidents, all different data you can see in this workspace. The next application is business continuity management, which is again a new application introduced in Quebec release of ServiceNow. This application provides business continuity solutions when business is impacted during a crisis. In order to access business continuity management, you can just type business continuity. So here is the application, and you can see we have different modules under business continuity, and you can also see the workspace. So if I click on this business continuity workspace, it will show me all different components or you can say contents related to business continuity. These are different information which I can see on this particular workspace. Next application is instance scan, which is again a kind of game changer, as we never had this type of application before in ServiceNow platform. And every organization who has ServiceNow in their company, they always required this kind of feature. And this feature and application is instance scan, which is a new application introduced in Quebec version of ServiceNow. This application is used to find configurations of the instances which can indicate health issues and identify opportunities to address best practice. Overall, it basically scans your whole instance and tells you that, hey, these are the different issues which we have found in your instance, and you have to fix them. In order to access instance scan, you can type instance scan, and you can see we have this application. Under this application, we have different modules. Now, how exactly it scans the system? It scans the instance. So basically, if I will click on this module checks, it will basically perform all these different types of checks for different elements we have in ServiceNow. Moreover, you can also create checks, custom checks as well as per your condition. So if you have maybe developed some custom applications, maybe you want to check some more configurations, you want to check some more elements in ServiceNow, in that case, you can also create with this new button. But as of now, if I talk about out of the box, you have these 86 checks. Now you can run these checks. So as you can see, we have these buttons: schedule full scan, execute full scan. So I can schedule it as well. At the same time, I can execute right away. So if I will click on this button, it will start basically scanning the whole instance for all these types of checks I have. Then we have suites. Now in suites, it is again, you can create different suites. So what kind of checks you want to include in that particular suite, just kind of a bucket. So you can see here in this particular suite, we have 64 checks. So it's totally up to you what different checks you want to involve in a particular suite. And if I will click here, you can see I already have a new button as well. That means I can still create multiple suites as well. And if I go next module, you can see we have this results. So whatever scanning it will do as per the checks you have mentioned in the checks table. In that case, you can see all different types of results, what exactly happened, whether it got completed or not, what kind of check we did. That's something you can see in this particular module. Then we have finding. Now, after performing the check, you definitely need findings. Do I need to change something? Do I need to correct something? How would you know that? Now that is something you will come to know in this findings, because this is the main outcome when system will run this whole scanning. And then we have dashboard. Now this dashboard shows you different kind of information regarding the scan results, when exactly ran, what scan was running or executing. All those information you can see in this dashboard. You can see all those result list as well, and then scan results as well. That's how you can scan the whole instance. And I'm sure this is definitely a great feature which was never available in ServiceNow platform. I think so many people had to buy some third-party applications as well, and it was very difficult to know whether my own instance is healthy or not. If my developers, if myself, if I have done some development, whether I have followed some best practices or not. And so that's how this particular application will help you to track all those issues, and then once you will find those issues, you can definitely fix them. So these are top 5 applications and features introduced in Quebec version of ServiceNow. There are also other applications and features introduced by ServiceNow, and if you want to know about those applications, you can access ServiceNow documentation. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.